Your back and body deserve some special attention. Let the experts at Ovenell Chiropractic help you get back to health after injury or simply reach your peak potential in life.
We're an active and athletic family, so we really appreciate having a healthcare provider who's an athlete himself. Gets it, you know? He's also an excellent and intuitive doctor, good at finding the problem and correcting it, whatever it is.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ovenell, and welcome to Ovenell Chiropractic. We're committed to our community, and we assist patients of all ages in our office. We work with athletes as well as those injured on the job. Our slogan is, "We've got your back," and our goal with every patient is to help you reach your peak potential through adjustments, exercise, and proper nutrition. Our office is equipped with the latest state-of-the-art chiropractic equipment. We utilize both our hands and instruments for adjusting your spine and extremities to bring you back into balance.
Hi, my name is Danny Gold. I'm very athletic, very active, so it's nice to know when I go to Ovenell Chiropractics, I get immediate results.
We got your back!
Learn more about Ovenell Chiropractic today.